It all started when we changed the game. We put the power back in your hands and gave you the ride you deserve. Advanced technology, international quality, and a driving experience that's uniquely Geely. We defined excitement. And if you're out here seeking what excites you, discover fun right here. It's great to finally be at the Manila International Auto Show. Geely is finally here. Please welcome the new president and CEO of Sojitz G Auto Philippines, Mr. Yugo Kiyofuji.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Did I pronounce well? So my name is Yugo Kiyofuji. Like you can see, actually I assume President and CEO of Sojitz G Auto Philippines from the 1st of April. So just to briefly introduce myself, I work for different brands in different markets. Such as Middle East, Latin America, Australia, just to name a few. And I'm very honored to be here, which is going to be the first time for Geely to participate. I understand MIAS was held 3 years ago, and it has been suspended due to that pandemic. For the last 3 years, there was definitely a milestone that we had achieved when it comes to Geely brand. So last March, actually we had achieved 10,000 unit sales for the first time. And this year, my role is to take Geely to the next level. So definitely, we are going to achieve more than 10,000 units this year, within a year. And for the last years, likewise, we have been actually bringing so many exciting vehicles in the Philippines, like Coolray, Okavango, Ascara, and Emran that we have launched. And going forward as well, we are committed to introduce models that fits the market needs in the Philippines. So as I actually made a speech at the time of the presidential turnover event held on the 4th of April, my goal is to achieve top 5 automotive brand in the Philippines by 2025. And as a kickstart for this year, we would like to introduce all new Coolray special edition model. So once again, maraming salamat po, and I hope you can enjoy our booth. Thank you once again.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to seek excitement to discover fun? Please watch this. G Auto Philippines, and Mr. Froilan de Tiangkin, General Manager for Sales and Marketing, to come over the Coolray SV so we can immortalize this momentous event. Let's take this opportunity to take photos.